What's up, y'all?
We're back in here
with another reaction, man.
It's Mom's the future.
And today,
you're good.
We got NCT Funny Moments, NCT units embracing their incredibly chaotic nature.
Yes.
Just came out 2 days ago.
Yes. Taking a day off.
Cherryverse.
That's why we didn't get to it. What?
We didn't take a day off yesterday.
2 days ago.
We took a lot of days off here recently.
Yeah.
A lot of days.
We have.
But we're back on our grind.
We're trying to get back on the schedule now.
We're back on our grind. So we got these NCT Funny Moments for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff.
I guess we're at the end of the video.
yeah.
Let's just...
That's the outro. Anyways, click the red button down below. Get us 90K. We have a
Yes,
lot
sir.
of NCT
what? Content?
content. And we just reacted to Wavy's
What
new
drugs?
song. So go check that out.
What? Oh, kicking it or kicking back?
Kick back.
Kick back. Kick back. Not
I got that kick back. Yeah, that thing was lit. Lucas was crazy on that. 3, 2, 1.
You mean your boyfriend?
Dude, you interrupt me again, bro, and we're gonna throw hands. Cause that messes up my editing.
Well, if you're gonna take the time,
if your voice is in it when I click it, I don't know when to start.
If you're gonna take the time to cut your hand off and throw it at me, you're just dumb.
What?
Because I'm not gonna cut my hand off and throw it back at you.
What are you talking about?
You're talking about throwing hands.
Oh my god.
I ain't doing that.
I'm so done, bro. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm done with this. Give me a new film partner.
Taking applications.
Oh, the model. Okay. Yo, what is she? No. That's Photoshop, dude. Right?
I don't know.
What is that sign she's doing? That's gotta be Photoshop, bro. That doesn't look real. I don't know. It does look kind of real. Did you just redo it? Okay. That was definitely not what they was doing. yeah. Do it. Put his face in between their arm. Oh, here we go again. That's amazing, dude. That's so amazing. That was the intro?
127 단체 사진은 항상 컨셉이 확실한데.
Oh my god. Stop. Oh, great.
Fire truck.
Oh man. Dude, no. I did not hear Megan Thee Stallion. I'm a savage.
Oh no.
Classy, bougie, ratchet.
You better hit play.
Previously on Syojan's attempts on making Bella love it, making Bella behave.
Hey, yo!
No!
Oh, yo!
No!
Scold it! We got a brush and everything in his room. Just ready.
Apparently he goes through this quite a bit.
Happy birthday to
Oh
you.
no, dude.
Happy birthday.
Don't.
No. Birthday dear Bella to you. No. 나와. Bella, turn. Bella.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
아, 여러분, 우리가 얼마 전에 지금과 제이 반지를 밟았어요.
No.
Oh no, he didn't.
와우, 약간 반지 성형해줬어요? 저 자세히 보면 반지가 기스가 났어요. 휘었어요. 이게 모이잖아요.
Wait, Haitian was loading as hell.
Wait a minute.
The amount of memes they find to put in these is amazing.
네, 지성이 설마
또 부셨어?
We don't broke his glasses.
제노가 하도 지성이를 예뻐하고 사랑하잖아요. 그러니까 지성이 그래도 귀찮았던 거.
Okay. He was sick of his love.
미안해. 아, 미안해.
Thank you for tuning in on another episode of Johnny's Communications Center.
Johnny's Communication Center. Dude, I think Cherryverse might have one of the best videos there is. They put so many memes in there that are like from our childhood that are like just like the most popular memes. They could be like 8 years old.
Oh yeah, they're still gonna be
Like,
in there.
what are you talking about? That one right there, bro, has been around forever, bro.
The older ones are funnier, I think.
Yeah, because it was like Vine and stuff.
Yeah, look.
We don't have Vine no more.
I mean, you can watch them on YouTube still.
Yeah, but to be honest, a lot of Vines were like really corny.
But they're funny.
But there was a lot of funny
Like,
ones too.
The guy that does Watermelon.
Yeah.
What's his name?
I can't remember his name. I gotta watermelon instead.
But I used to watch one, Scotty Sire. I love
Yeah,
Scotty Sire. He's
he was
freaking
funny.
funny.
His little brother made the show though.
You're
About to
12
tie
years
the
old,
shoe,
you can't
bruh.
tie your shoes.
Yeah.
I can't tie my shoes, but I can fuck your bitch.
Yeah. That was hilarious. Go look that video up, Scotty Sire.
Thank you guys
What?
for watching our.
What'd you say?
I said go look that video up, Scotty Sire.
It was Scotty Sire. Funny compilation.
야시시.
Yes. Jafam이거든, Jafam.
Japan.
Jafam.
Just Sam.
Jafam.
You say it right.
Thank you.
粉丝们都说你们正经起来比女团更清爽，
No
搞
more
笑
first
起
and
来
girl
又比
groups.
搞笑艺人更好笑。成员们同意这样的评价吗？
其实我们在努力，其实可以比女团更。
Oh my god.
这个
威哥，
其实我们在努力，其实可以比女团更。
Replace it.
这个
I agree. I agree.
Okay.
I strongly agree.
Okay.
우리 AA 희상식 때인가요?
맞아요.
저 사진도 그 사실 진짜 비상구를 보고
맞아요.
그냥
근데 제가
It looks like they're trying to run out the door. Oh no.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Wait, hold up.
Where's the rest of his body at?
wait. Wait, hold up. No, that's not the issue. How's his foot pointed that way? His body's leaning the other way. Like, here's one leg. You see it? The one leg's like sticking up. He got like hunched up. The other leg is pointed that way.
Are you just that flexible, my guy? What is going on?
Wait, no. I solved it. That's not his leg. It's this guy's leg. Is that Johnny? With super long hair? Yeah, it's Johnny's leg. In the back.
Yeah, okay.
It's his back leg.
Yeah.
But his leg must be like hid behind it. It does look like a crazy illusion though. Look like boy got flexible feet.
Well, they got a broke ankle.
I think that's what I'm going with anyways. Let's see what they're gonna say.
So all you have to do is look at their feet. That foot is Ji-Yun's, these feet are Haechan's, so the only foot left is this one. But if you look closely at Johnny's pose, you can clearly tell that one of his foot is in the air. Meaning
Wait,
this
what?
is Jungwoo's foot and his position is this.
Yeah.
Mystery solved.
Huh?
Yeah.
So I got it right.
That's basically what I was saying too.
So I got it right.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's dude, this Jungwoo's foot in the background is straight out.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
and Johnny's foot's the one that's
Leaned
leaned
back,
back.
yeah.
Yeah.
The other one's just hid.
Yeah.
Meaning this is Jungwoo's foot and his position is this. Mystery solved.
他对自己的设定呢，就是
悲剧男主角。
对。
Thanks a lot, you idiot.
Thanks a lot, idiot.
你的眼里，对，因为我有东西。
哦。Yo。
在线打弟弟，在线打哥哥。生活的人就。对，这就是我说的大屏幕上，如果抓到人家，他就会做这样的 pose。
Spill the cheeses。
哦，
说实话，我真的没有在宿舍里面照镜子照那样式的。저 진짜 숙소에서 거울 보면서 진짜 숙소에서 有时候实在忍不了，越想越久，啥时候干过那种事儿啊？我啥时候干过这种事儿啊？今天这台超咋知道啊？差不多行呗，差不多行吗？你知道姐姐给我这是干嘛的吗？为了打你。
Dude, devilish laugh.
大家看了不方便啊。I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
내 컴퓨터도 좀 기분을 타시는 것 같아요. 이 노래 좋아요 요즘. 이 노래 너무.
There's so many promotion ads in this one.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
The Office.
Everyone, what's the procedure? Stay calm. Wait. Everybody, calm down.
Fun fact, dude, I know what's coming on after this, bro. It's gonna be that one song. I heard it. I feel like. But fun fact, I've never watched The Office.
I haven't either. I think I watched one episode and I did not care for it, so I just.
Do they just sit in the office all day?
They're literally
crack
just
jokes
about the whole time. Yeah,
and just crack jokes all the time.
It's just nonsense. It's literally Steve Carell yelling for no damn reason at all.
No ram reason.
No.
Oh jeez.
That's the one that has it's the oh god no.
Yeah. I know.
Look, you wanna know a show stupider than that though?
What?
It's called Letterkenny.
I don't want to.
It's a Canadian show where they're living on a farm, and they look. It doesn't even look real. They look like what is it? Their bodies look fake, but their head looks real. It's like
Photoshop.
In a way, yeah, but it's
Animation.
Not. Huh?
Animation.
Well, in a way, it kind of looks like it, but it's not. It's really them. But it's so stupid.
I know what song's about to come on though. You better hear it.
Everyone, what's the procedure? Stay calm. Wait. Everybody, calm down.
That boy got the moves. Okay. Oh, here we go. Let's see it. Oh, they're pulling together. Oh, that was cold. Oh! Oh, whoa! Look close. Dale. Let's get it.
Yes.
Don't answer it. There you go. Good answer. Dude, who is Daigle?
I don't know.
Yeah, I need some help. Is he in a different group? Daigle. I've never heard that name in NCT. Have you?
It said Dago is my girlfriend.
Yeah, but it was a guy, bro. This is a joke. It was a joke.
Oh, I see. I don't know then.
Y'all tell us now who Daigle is.
Yeah.
I never heard of Daigle.
다음 달에 대가리랑 결혼하는데 대가리
Your son doesn't approve. He's not an adult yet.
해찬 형이 뭐지 다음 달인가 다음 주인가에 대가리랑 결혼식을 한대요. 대가리랑 결혼식을 한대요.
뭐야?
철로가.
Yeah, I need to know who Daigle is.
직업은
자, 그래서 오늘의 주인공 대가리입니다. 안녕.
예, 근데
Don't tell me it's a dog. Don't tell me it's a dog, bro. Don't tell me it's a dog. Did I miss something in the photo when it was showing it? Was he like holding it or something?
I haven't paid attention to it either, so. The little picture I didn't.
Bro, it has to be the dog, or they wouldn't be showing these clips. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, okay. I'm tripping. They have their watermark up there, and I thought that was posted on the party, bro. But it's just a watermark. Yeah, so it has to be the dog, I guess. Man, I didn't see that. I thought it was another dude. Yo, the freaking sponsorship ads in this one are killing me.
I can make you laugh. If you laugh, live your life.
Don't diss me, bro. Now I'm gonna laugh. You almost got me. I chuckled a little bit. I hate when people do that, man. Because listen, when people tell you not to laugh or they're about to make you laugh, it makes you want to laugh.
One day we need to make one of these an actual try not to laugh challenge. See who wins.
Dude, you're winning 100%, bro. You just act like you're dead. You're winning 100%. I'm gonna die. 100% win.
재민이가 지성이와 함께 자전거를 타고 공원을 갔다. 공원 이름은 지성공원이었다. 정답. 귀여워. 진짜 이상.
Hey, NCT scientist. We need you on a pandemic. Oh, here we go. Dude, that's a pretty nice bicycle, dude.
지금 생애 두발 자전거를 처음 타보는.
Dude, that bicycle looks like a freaking motorcycle. A dirt bike. That boy is struggling. It's okay, man. I can't ride a bicycle either. Dude, if I get one more sponsorship, I'm having to click these off the video so y'all can see the subtitles, bro. And the sponsorships are killing me. Listen. Fun fact. I can't ride a bicycle. And I don't care to say this because I never really like practiced growing up, so I never learned how to actually ride.
I love riding bikes.
And I don't need to ride a bicycle in my life, so that's another reason why I haven't ever learned. I don't need a bicycle.
Riding bikes is fun though.
No, I don't need a bicycle, bro. If it comes down to it, I'm skating everywhere. I don't know how to skate good either, but I'll figure it out.
You can't skateboard.
I'll figure it out instead.
늙어버섯 정답.
세 번째 퀘스트 행운 찾아드리.
Here we go with this again.
이제 거기서 안 해도 돼.
사실 이제 철러랑 같이 이제 가는 이제 식당이.
God, that boy had a voice crack.
가는 이제 식당이.
You have a voice crack.
That was a voice crack.
한 명의 밑. 한 명의 삑사리네.
It sounded like a voice crack. Yeah.
Aw, babies grow up so fast.
Copyright.
Oh my gosh.
Alan, you know what we need to do, bro? We need to go to an escape room and film it.
What the hell's an escape room? Literally, I'm like...
You know what an escape room is? Escape room where you stuck in a room, you have to figure your way out. Like clues and stuff.
Oh, okay.
There's like different rooms.
I know
to
what
it.
you're talking about.
It takes
Yeah.
like hours.
Obviously.
We need to film.
We ain't getting out.
We got 6 batteries. You're right. We're not getting out, bro, because you don't. Alright, y'all, man. That's good over this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff.
I would be.
Dude, quit thinking about munching on your food over here and click the bell.
I'm full.
Click the bell.
Click the
bell. You know, I could just say that and click the bell, and you could actually click the bell if you got one to teach your bells. And y'all know, well, we don't.
If you lose brain cells watching our show,
they do, dude. I already know.
Sorry.
I didn't know they lose brain cells.
MTF gang.
All of our supporters are one less brain cell down now since they started watching our channel, dude. We'll see you, man. Peace.